अग्निहोत्रः तपस्सत्यम्
अग्निहोत्रं तपःसत्यं
वेदानां चानुपालनम्
वेदानां चानुपालनम्
आतिथ्यं वैश्वदेवं च
आतिथ्यं वैश्वदेवं च
इष्टमित्यभिधीयते।
इष्टमित्यभिधीयते।
As we saw yesterday, that grace of Ishvara means the karma which I have done in this birth or previous births, they give result to me in the form of a conducive situation. I call it as a grace. Which karma gives which results we don't know, but one thing we know, it is a happy, cheerful situation. Out of two, the one was to be selected by the management, both had same qualification. You were selected, you will say it was by luck. Tendulkar was batting and got 89 runs, 99 runs, and he gave a catch. Everybody's heart was in his mouth, and the fellow missed the catch and got the 1 run. Make 100 is called what? For them disgrace and for him grace. Lucky. The grace is always there. I don't know how I was saved in this situation. When everybody in the house has got viral infection, except you, it shows what? You have got some special grace. Only problem is you have to serve all the other four. But you don't get the viral, it's called what? Grace. Somebody told me he crossed that area where the bomb blast was there. He was very close to that. She was saved. It shows what? Grace was working. Therefore, we have seen one thing. Grace, the source of grace is always Ishvara. We may not be very clear about the concept of Ishvara. What is God, we don't know. Anybody who asks the God, they have got different answers. Jagat Karanam Ishvara. For them, we have got enough ignorance. But still, something is there that is called Ishvara. We trace the cause of grace in the Ishvara. And it protects me, it sustains me, it gets me right thing at right time. That's what I say, it is a grace. Now we are discovering one more grace here. How to earn the grace. What are the karmas which gives me result in the future, which will be conducive, protective to me, beneficial to me. Let me earn that karma, let punya also. And we were discussing yesterday, we started with what? Purta karma, correct? Vapi Kupatadagadi. Constructing the tanks or reservoirs, that is a place where human being can drink water. A tank, animal can also drink water. A lake, all birds and human being, everybody can make use of it. If it is a dam created lake, you don't know, even electricity is created. So much benefit to the humanity. One thing I wanted all of you to remember very clearly, अगर जीवन में कृपा प्राप्त करना है, तो your reach out action, You reach out from your small circle, me, my wife and children, that family unit. You walk out of that, do something for the benefit of the community. You do something for the whole nation. Gandhiji worked day in, day out for the nation. There are people who work for the community. Patidar Samaj, they work for the community. Vaishnava Samaj, they work for Vaishnava community, nothing wrong in that. There are people who work for the state also, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka state also. But he is a national leader, work for the nation. But there are organizations world over, yet like UN, etc., they work for all human beings, all humanity. But one thing you understand, Hinduism does not work for individual alone, it works for all living beings, which include microorganisms, which include all the celestial beings, which include all the life here. Therefore, I cover all forms of living things and take into account and serve them. Understand, Hinduism looks upon every life as with a sanctity. It's not like other theologian who looks at the world, it is meant for our consumption, therefore eat away all the animals because they don't have soul. Can you imagine? Cow doesn't have soul, so finish the cow from tail to the horn, finish the cow and eat it away. This is dangerous consumption. World is meant for your consumption. It's a dangerous philosophy. We say it is Ishvara. Ishvara Buddhya serve the world. So ask yourself every day, what have I done to reach out? Not for me, my wife and children, not for my selfish end. I give shower to my body, what a big deal in it. I took a glass of water and drank for myself, what a big deal in it that. Did you give free water to somebody? Did you make an arrangement that all living beings can drink water, pure, clean water? This is called Purta Karma. Yesterday we saw that Vapi Kupatadagade. Next one we reached was Devata Yatananicha. Ayatana is the place. Devata Yatananicha is worship, place of worship. Understand, there is a difference between other community, other religion. They have a place for congregation, meeting place for just prayers, nothing more than that. That they can do anywhere. In Hinduism, when we do temple, there is a consecration ceremony, Purana Pratishtha. Thereafterward, it is a ritual done day in, day out, 3 times a day. It is different than the churches and mosques. It's different here. So when we start a temple or we support a temple activity or we build a temple for the community or we renovate a temple for the community, there are so many temples in India which needs help to renovate them. Jirnodhara, they call that. In your own village, there will be a temple which needs certain reconstruction, renovation. You do it. Because temple is a public place. It is not a private place. In public place, all people have all the time, they have a right to enter and offer their worship. And if you really wanted to see what temple should be at R, you go to the huge temple. One of the temple I was telling yesterday, our Rohit Bhai, Dr. Rohit Bhai yesterday, is called Brihadeshwara. Have you heard the name? In Tanjore, Tamil Nadu. This is the wonder of one of the wonders in the world. It's called big temple, Brihadeshwara. Lord Shiva Linga is 13 feet. Can you imagine 13 feet linga? And one bag of rice, paddy, is every day offered. The size of the deity decide how much naivedya we should do every day. A size of deity is big and you give one banana. It's called ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा. ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा. What is jeera will do? Means nothing. You have to give accordingly to the size of the weight of the deity, the time of configuration, every day, fresh cooked rice has to be offered. That is called annam. They are doing every day. That they stop, government interference, stop the temple being big. Swami Dayanji started and he paid for every day one bag of rice and that is given free afterward. Cooked rice, tair sadam, yogurt rice and this tamarind rice and this lemon rice they make. Everybody ate. Annadanam also happens. This is temple. You go and look at what temples are. People comes like a mela. Mela means what? Constantly there is a flow of people worshipping that, getting the blessing. If you have built that temple, how much blessing you will earn. And I see in Hinduism till today, anybody building temple, whole community comes up and support. These samskaras are there. I saw in Detroit temple, I went to Pran Pratishtha, money was flowing, people were just donating. Appa, more than some $2 million they must have collected there. I was happy. But still value is there. I was there in Dayton temple 2 days back. People were giving because temple, very beautiful. So temple they understand is a place where I connect to the Lord. And one thing I want to make it sure here, when I consecrate these idols, are we Hindus worshipping idols or not? पत्थर की मूर्तियों की हम लोग पूजा करते हैं कि नहीं? हाँ कि ना? हाँ करते हैं. और this is the way we get cornered. If you say yes, you are finished. Sometimes you should be very careful to say yes. Do some vichara. No Hindu worship idol, understand? You do पत्थर की यहाँ पूजा करते कि भगवान की पूजा करते हैं? बोलिए, किसकी पूजा करते हैं? तो क्यों कहते पत्थर की पूजा करते हैं? पत्थराय नमः, पाषाणाय नमः, ऐसा करते हैं क्या? We invoke the Ishvara in this form. This stone we have made idols, we ourselves have made this idol. We know it will create our creation. But this beautiful form presented to us from tradition to tradition, generation to generation, we invoke Mahaganapatim Asmin Bimbe Dhyayami Avahayami Avahito Bhava Sthapito Bhava Tannito Bhava